Faced an unexpected issue with your car? Can't get to a service station right away? No worries, FlexiHub makes it easy to run car diagnostics remotely. A fast internet connection and a couple of simple tools will save you significant time and money. Here's how it works: you will need an OBD scanner and a laptop with internet access. Step 1. Connect the OBD scanner to your car. Step 2. Then connect the device to your laptop with a USB cable. Step 3. Open FlexiHub on the laptop and share the scanner over the network. On the remote side, the technician starts FlexiHub and gets remote access to your scanner. That's it. No expense is involved in bringing the car to the car service. The expert will monitor vehicle behavior in real time regardless of its physical location. Repairs are less expensive, more successful, and take less time to complete. No matter where you are, get the best possible car service with FlexiHub.